I'm Brett Grambower. I'm the director of Grambower Concrete. We've been operating in the Sunny Coast for 40 years. We've got a fairly large crew, between 30 and 20 and 30 guys. I do all the ordering, all the quality assurance, all the quoting, and I'm on site as well.
Why don't you tell us, with regards to your concreting works, what are the things that keep you up all night? What are the pain or frustration points that you have?
Mainly cracking up here on the Sunny Coast with the temperatures we have through summer.
Yep.
Generally, we do a lot of high strength concrete as well in our industrial work. But that's our major callback is cracking, like surface cracking and bleeding. We put a lot of slabs under roof in industrial sheds. There's a lot of humidity and a lot of bleeding, and yes, which is a bit of a problem. It squeegees it all off. Yeah, it affects it a lot.
You've been using E5 pretty much since we brought it into the country about 8 or 9 months ago.
Yeah.
What's your experience been, or what sort of applications have you been using it on, and how has it helped those areas of frustration and problems?
Well, we've used it on driveways, we use it on slabs and under roof. You don't get that bleeding.
Yep.
You don't have to cure it for a start. We've done big colour jobs, like 1,000 square metre colour job, in a fairly expensive house. And with colour, you always get cracking in it. You get discoloration in the colour and all the things that happen with it. We found that we didn't get any cracks in it at all.
Yeah.
And it held it. Didn't get those cold joints situations that we get with colour. And the job turned out fantastic, really.
Mm-hmm.
We've been doing colour for 30 years.
Yeah.
I would recommend it for any colour job.
Mm-hmm.
But driveways, like big industrial driveways, we've done high strength driveways.
Yep.
For like where there's a lot of vehicle traffic, and we had trucks and everything driving on it, 40 MPa with E5 in it, and then they drove it on 48 hours, and there are no scratches on it. Like it gives you a lot more hardened surface.
Yep.
And you don't get that laminating stuff when it starts laminating through humidity. You get a lot of laminating in slabs, under roof especially. You just don't get that, and it goes off more evenly.
Mm-hmm.
You can generally, what we've found in the ones that we're doing lately, you can lose a few guys on your labour as well, because it's just more workable, and it gives you a little bit more time. Drop them back on it, it just seems to go off more even.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just it works well, really.
So you've done suspended applications as well.
Yeah.
And what are the advantages there on suspended slabs?
Mainly with suspended, you get your early high strength with it.
Mm-hmm.
Like we were getting 48 MPa in 5 or 6 days.
Yep.
Which is a lot quicker than normally without it. It's a lot easier to screed on decks, because decks generally chasing your tail all the time with decks. It's just a lot easier to screed. It's a lot easier to pump.
Yep.
The pump, it just seems to be more slippery.
Yep.
If that's a word. Yeah. It just seems to be better to pump. Yeah, better all around for deck. Yeah. It's a good deal for deck.
So would you recommend E5 to other concreters and projects?
Absolutely. Yeah. It's worth the money. Yeah. So it's just worth it.
Yeah.
All around. Especially that cracking. We just haven't had a problem with it on one of them yet, which is amazing. But generally you'll have something, not a bad day. You'll have something that'll break the crack. But we just haven't had any problems with it.
Yeah.
So I'd recommend it totally.
Yeah, great.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot, Brett. Appreciate it, mate.
No worries, Red.
Cheers.